Guys, I told you guys we were gonna be doing a fishing video, and well, here we are. We're fishing Cass River and just going after some bluegill for now. Maybe we'll catch a sucker or carp. Hopefully it'd be awesome if we could hook into a cat, but that's about it. So here we go. That'll mainly be your guys' point of view, and well, I'll show you what we're fishing with. This is something that I just got done making. We have a little jig head weight, or a little jig head that I took apart just for the weight. Some little maybe size 3 hooks, and just made a little, kind of like a little perch rig. Not really little, it's actually really big for a perch rig. But and got a little thing of crawlers back here, so yeah. This is what I fish with on the river most of the time. Oh crap, you guys fell over. It's all good, we can fix that. There you go. Now we're just gonna set everything up. And get it out there, I guess. About right there, and get most of the slack out of it. Just make sure you guys got a good view, and then the waiting game starts. There you guys go. That'll be my view too, and like I said, just the waiting game starts. Now I was fishing here with my stepdad not too long ago, and about right where I casted there was a nice little honey hole. But I do see a promising looking log over there. Just don't want to get all snagged. But who knows, maybe that's where all the fish are hiding, or maybe they're all behind that tree over there. There's a big old down tree that I just got done seeing a bass blow up on something, but not too positive if I want to go over there or not. It's been pretty rainy, but I mean, should be all good. Here we go. There. Now we have removed all the slack out of it. Normally I'll fish here with an ultralight rod and stuff like that, but didn't really think to bring the ultralight for some reason, but I mean, sorry about the wind. I mean, I know it's gonna be there because it's just like blowing real bad today. But crap, blowing slack in the line. Not the biggest fan of wind for fishing. But yeah. I don't know, hopefully here pretty soon I'll get back out on the water and St. Clair River and do some more walleye fishing. That's real fun. Real fun. This year, tons of them there, just not many. Not very many big ones. We went and me, my dad, and my uncle, we probably caught about a good 100 fish altogether, and only 13 of them were keeper, not counting the ones that got away at the boat, at the edge of the boat. But I mean, it's just, they're not very big this year. There's a couple really nice ones in there though. Can't wait to go do some perch fishing either. And there'll be a video coming up. I'm gonna be fishing this same river, probably just out at a different place by Caro. If any of you guys know where that's at. Ooh, shaky. But if you guys do, that's this same river, just different area. And I'll be fishing up by the dam for pike and walleye and perch and pretty much anything out of that river, or out of this river over there. Haven't really had very much luck at this river for fishing. Last year was really good for bluegill and caught one really big catfish and a snapping turtle. But other than that, I've never caught anything else out of here. If we catch a little bluegill, I'm just gonna rip them in half and throw them out for catfish bait. I'm gonna throw a different type of rig on. Kinda odd, haven't caught nothing yet. There'll probably be another video after this one. I know this isn't really how you fish it, but I mean, just reeling in and might as well take time because I'm going to go try a different spot. Whatever. I'm just go try another spot. Okay, we're going to come over here and gonna pretty much have to hold you because can't really fish and video at the same time. There's not a picnic table over here. A whole bunch of little ones just swam off. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. not very deep out there. Nope, not very deep at all. That tree right there used to be a really good spot for bluegill, but last couple times I've fished there has not been very good. There we go, got right in the tree this time. Ooh, had a nibble. Oh, I didn't get him. Get a nibble. Got a nibble. Put it out about in the same spot and try and maybe hook him this time. There we go. Seems like maybe in this tree is about the best place we're gonna get. There. Ooh, we're already getting nibbles again. Missed him again. Okay, so it looks like we might have found the new hot spot here. I mean, it pretty much drops down there and we're getting nibbles for like ever. There we go. Oh, we're getting nibbles again. There we go, there's a fish. Here we go, perfect catfish bait. Perfect size. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video. Did not get skunked. There's going to be a second video after this called catfishing. Be ready for that one. Okay, well, see you guys next time.